Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffle dogs. First, gather your ingredients: hot dogs, waffle mix, milk, eggs, and a little oil. Next, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. Make sure you have skewers or sticks ready for easy serving. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and perfect waffle dogs every time. Let's get started on this fun and tasty treat. Now let's prepare the hot dogs. Pat each hot dog thoroughly dry with a paper towel. This helps the batter stick better. Carefully insert a skewer or stick into one end of each hot dog, leaving enough room to hold it. For an even cook, you might lightly score the hot dogs with a knife. These simple steps ensure your hot dogs are perfectly ready for their waffle coating. With your hot dogs prepped and your waffle iron hot, it's time to batter and cook. Dip each hot dog into your prepared waffle batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Carefully place the battered hot dog into the center of your preheated waffle iron. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffle dog is golden brown and cooked through. Be patient for that perfect crisp. Once your waffle dogs are golden and ready, carefully remove them from the waffle iron. Let them cool for just a minute or two before serving. These are fantastic served hot with a variety of dipping sauces. Think classic ketchup, tangy mustard, or even a sweet maple syrup for a unique twist. Enjoy your homemade waffle dogs as a fun snack or a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.